In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a product on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. Printify is an excellent platform for anyone looking to create custom products and print on demand. Whether you're an artist wanting to get your designs out into the world or a business owner looking to expand your product line, Printify simplifies the entire process. So let's walk through the steps to publish your first product. First things first, if you haven't done so already, you need to create an account on Printify. Just head over to their website and sign up. It's a straightforward process, so you shouldn't have any trouble. Once you have your account set up, go ahead and log in. Now that you're in, you'll see the Printify dashboard. This is essentially your command center for managing and creating your products. Look for the catalog section in the sidebar. This is where you will find all the products that you can customize and sell. Let's choose a product to publish. Click on the Products option and you'll see a variety of items ranging from t-shirts to mugs to phone cases. Take your time to explore the options. For instance, if you want to start with a classic, select a t-shirt, click on it, and you'll be taken to the design area. Here you'll be able to customize the product. First, you'll see options to choose the brand, style, size, and color of the t-shirt. Make sure to select options that align with the target audience you want to reach. Once you've made your selections, it's time to add your unique design. To upload a design, click on the Add Your Artwork button. This is where you can upload your own artwork from your device. Select the file and ensure it meets the specifications outlined by Printify regarding image dimensions and formats. It's crucial that your designs are high quality, so they look great on the final product. After uploading, you can adjust the placement of your design on the garment. Make sure it's centered and positioned correctly. Once you're satisfied with how your design looks, hit the Preview button to see a mock-up of how your product will look once it's printed. Take a good look. This is your chance to make any last-minute adjustments. If everything looks good, you're ready to proceed. Now you'll need to fill out the details for your product. This includes the product title, description, and pricing. Keep in mind that your title should be catchy and relevant to attract customers. The description provides you with an opportunity to engage your audience, so be creative and informative. This is where you can explain the benefits of your product, the materials used, and how to care for it. Once you've completed that, set your pricing. Printify will give you a base cost for your product, and you can decide what markup you'd like to apply to it. Keep in mind that competitive pricing can be essential if you want to attract buyers while still making a profit. After entering all the necessary information, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Publish button. And that's it. Your product is now live on Printify. You can choose to connect it to your online store if you have one, or share the product link directly on social media platforms. In summary, we've gone through the steps of creating an account, choosing a product, uploading your design, adding details, and finally publishing your product. Publishing on Printify is a seamless process that can bring your creative ideas to life, all while reaching a wide audience online. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about these steps or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy selling!